Hi Scholars, Dr. Ratcliffe here. Just wanted to make a brief video for your week 4 module. There's a lot going on this week, and so you want to make sure that you manage your time wisely. First of all, you want to go ahead and review Chapter 5. Chapter 5 will be, I believe, included in Exam 1, even though the quiz is due the same day as Exam 1. So just double check that, but you do want to make sure that you get that chapter done. You'll notice that our second speech is due this week. It's due on Thursday. And so our habit will be that we turn in our speech on Thursday, and then we have a couple of days to view one of our peers in the class, and then you do a peer evaluation on someone by Saturday. And so the influence on my field speech, you should already have this planned out because you just turned in an outline for this speech. And so if you haven't yet done that, you need to get that outline done because that'll be very helpful for your presentation. Follow these directions very carefully, but basically you're going to be presenting to your live audience this 3 to 5 minute speech. You're going to turn in your speech down below here, post your video link. You're also going to attach your PowerPoint with the same video post. And so how do you do that? So if you hit the reply, you'll notice right down here's a little attach button. You can attach a Word document or in this instance a PowerPoint, and that way you can then turn that in along with your video. If you need any help with how to present this speech, what will it look like, then you may want to review the speech preparation module resource module. It is at the very bottom, I believe. Yep. So at the very bottom of the modules, there is a sample speech page, and this is basically me giving a speech several years ago to one of my classes, but it shows you the process of putting it all together. So here's what a speech looks like using speaker notes with a PowerPoint as a visual aid, speaking to a live audience. Notice I'm not just speaking to the camera, but to my live audience. And so this video, though it's not perfect by any means, it gives you a good example of what we're expecting in terms of all of the elements coming together for this particular assignment. So let's go back. Okay, so if you have any questions about this particular assignment, please just let me know. But remember, it's due Thursday. And then after Thursday, you will choose somebody's video to watch and have hopefully someone who doesn't yet have a review posted under their video. And then reply with 3 things they did well, 3 things they could improve. And that reply or that peer evaluation is due by Saturday. So that is the influence on my field of speech. You may also notice that we have our first exam coming up this Saturday. In order to prepare for that, I'm posting an Exam 1 review discussion. This is an activity in which you will help each other study for this exam. Now, this class is bigger than, or there's more people in this class than I have topics for some of these categories. And so just realize that there may be some duplication, even though I say don't pick a topic that someone else has picked. If there's nothing left, then feel free to pick the same topic, do your own study guide for it. Basically, here's what the Exam 1 will cover. You are responsible for learning all of this information. You, for this discussion, however, will only be responsible for posting your study guide for one topic. So for instance, let's say you choose Chapter 11, the steps in preparing a speech. Just that topic alone, you need to come up with a brief study guide that you share here on this discussion board with your classmates. If everyone chooses a different topic within these chapters, then you all have access to these different study guides. Now you need to double check the accuracy of the study guides posted by your classmates. You're still responsible for learning the correct information. But this process is another way to provide you with material to study for the test. And so pick something that no one else has done yet. And how do you know? Well, you look at the replies and see who has posted. So first come, first serve. And then whatever is not chosen on this list, you choose, and then you do a little study review for it. If all of the topics have been done, then pick a topic and do a review guide for it, creating your own study guide for that, not copying what someone else has done previously. So So that is hopefully something that we can do this semester to help us study for these exams, where you create your own reviews and share them among your classmates. Then, of course, exam 1 will happen by Saturday. This is set up very similarly to the quizzes that you've been taking, so nothing should be new here. This exam is a 20-question exam, multiple choice, true, false, 5 points each, and you have an hour to complete it. So that gives you an overview of what's going on this particular week. If you have any questions, just let me know. We're halfway done. Week 4 is our halfway point, and so after this week, you will just have 4 more weeks to go. And so it moves very quickly, but keep going, stay encouraged, and let me know if you need any help. Thanks.